The IMSA MFT 600/12 EVO is a deep hole drilling machine designed for cylindrical workpieces up to 600 millimeters in length, capable of axial drilling with diameters ranging from 2 to 12 millimeters. Typical applications include medical components, temperature measurement probes, aerospace pins, and ejector sleeves for molds. The workpiece is rotated in the opposite direction to the drill's cutting motion. The maximum drilling depth in a single cycle depends on the diameter, as the drill must be properly supported. For diameters between 3 and 12 millimeters, this machine allows a maximum drilling depth of 160 times the diameter. For diameters between 2 and 3 millimeters, the depth is approximately 40 to 50 times the diameter. The machine is equipped with 3 autofocus steady rests, which are particularly effective in reducing vibrations, resulting in longer tool life and improved hole surface finish. For robotic loading setups, an automatic door opening system is available as option. As requested by this customer, the machine shown in this video features a Heidenhain CNC and a completely light-colored exterior. In its standard version, the MFT 600/12 EVO is equipped with a Siemens 828 CNC.